Okay, we're gonna do a little Java exercise from reading a txt file. Basically, have a title, author, number of pages, publishing year, and how much was borrowed in a loop. We have a few books here. So let's get started. First, let's define our book class. So static class book. Oh, let's define the fields: string author, string title, int pages, int year, and long borrows. Another constructor book, string a, string t, oh my god, int p, int y, and long b. Let's assign them. This author equals a, this title equals t, this pages equals p, this year equals y, and this borrows equals b. Okay. Next, let's okay, let's read the file now. So we're gonna do try, because we're gonna do this in case we cannot find our file. We're gonna do oh yeah, we're gonna wanna import file, array list, and scanner for this, and file not found exception. File, my file equals new file, and here in quotas you can copy the path from the root. Copy path reference from content root if you're using IntelliJ. I'm not sure how you do it in Eclipse. Next we're gonna do scanner reader equals new scanner my file. So we're scanning the file that we oh yeah, if this happens, just add an exception to it. So we're reading the file that we provided, and then we're gonna do while reader has next line. So essentially we get the file, we scan the file, so we read it, right? And then we're doing a loop through every line of the file. So one iteration of the loop, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so on. So first we're gonna actually check for okay, so we're actually gonna take care of the empty lines because they will be a problem. The way we do that is, I find it works, it's kind of weird, but if reader next line equals nothing, then just do other stuff, so continue. If you don't do this, you can do other workarounds, but if you don't do something like this, then it'll crash, probably. And now, what we're gonna do is just do reader next line. Oh, actually no. Let's copy this because we're gonna do a variable for each and every one of them. Reader next line, and we can actually do this for title as well. Just copy it. So this is the first next line. This is the second next line. This is our third, but we have a problem. If I were to just paste it like here, well, this is not an int. This is a string that it returns. So we just parse it for an integer, just like that. We can even copy it here. Here it's very similar, except we parse it to a long because it's a long. Perfect. So now let's create our book object from all this. Book b1 equals new book author title pages year and borrows. Okay, so now we need a place to store the books. So we're gonna do an array list. So array list of the book type equals new array list of the book type. Oh yeah, bookshelf. We're gonna name it bookshelf. Okay, so now the last thing we do here is simply add it to the list. And I forgot to make a static. Okay, so that's done. So now we just need to do a catch. Catch file not found exception E. We can do system out print ln file not found, and we can even do a e get message. Okay, after that's done, so whatever happens here after this continue means that the file has been found and everything's okay and we read it and it's all good. So now we simply do for book, we're gonna name it cur book in bookshelf, and this again. What is this? Oh yeah, 4. I made it capital. Sorry. Okay, so now we do simply system out print. Let's do the first line like this, and then system out print ln cur book title, and we can just actually offer first and then title. Yeah, okay. Pages, year, and borrows, and we can copy this and it should work. Yep, there it is. To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee, The Hobbit, Game of Thrones. Wait, Game of Thrones, that's not a book. That's a show, but it should be Song of Ice and Fire. You know what? Okay. Now let's actually, for science, see what happens if I delete the file. Oh, it didn't delete itself. Let's cut it. Okay, now it should be good. No, it's still. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Now let's see what happens. Yeah, file not found. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Works flawlessly. All right. See you guys next time.